Welcome back to my channel, The Baking Diva. And I'd like to say thank you to all my new subscribers. A week ago, I started something new. I said that every Sunday I was going to make it a Shoutout Sunday. And I wanted to acknowledge one of the wonderful channels that we have on YouTube. I started a while ago. My channel is still fairly small. I'm not a big YouTuber. I had a passion for baking. I loved makeup, clothes, accessories, and that's how I came up with the name for myself of The Baking Diva. But there are so many wonderful channels out there, and we're like a YouTube family, and we're all in this together. I always tell everyone, and if you saw my first Shout Out Sunday last Sunday, I said, I'm like the little engine that could. I keep chugging along. I go up a little, the hill, I go down the hill a little bit, but I just keep on moving. And I do it because I enjoy it. And I think if you asked many other YouTubers why they have a channel, most of them would probably say the same thing. They have a love of what they're doing and they want to share it. They have a message that they want to share with everyone. So I'm sorry if you hear my little bird in the background. The bird's name is Squeaky, and she hears me talking, and she's down there over and over saying, hello, Squeaky Bird. Hello, Squeaky Birdie. Sorry, just try to tune her out. But anyway, this Sunday, I want to give a very special lady a shout out. And her name is Jeri. And Jeri's channel name is My Blind Mama's Messy Kitchen. That's right. And Jeri is someone that has a story to tell. When Jeri was young, she got a rare disease in her eyes. And I think it was called, it was a pediatric cancer. And it was called, let me see if I can get this right, bilateral retinoblastoma. I think that's correct, Jeri. And she did get it in both eyes. And after going through a lot of treatments and all, when she was about 13 years old, she did go completely blind. And you can imagine how devastating that must have been for a teenager. I just can't even imagine. But with the help of her family and teachers that guided her, she learned to adapt, basically. And she wanted to make her YouTube channel to show others that were either going blind, losing their sight, or had already gone blind, that with a little adjusting, they could do what she does too. And I'm going to tell you, Jeri is married. Her husband's name is, I believe, Carl, and she has 2 children. They're fairly young, and I think she has a 3rd. So I believe she has 3 children. So right away, her story just intrigued me, that she has a YouTube channel, she's married with a family, and I just thought it was amazing. Jeri, I would say Jeri's constantly being asked, how does she do it? And I agree. I wanted to ask her, how do you do it, Jeri? Because Jeri bakes, Jeri cooks, and she does everything herself. She has a wonderful family, and her kids are just adorable. And if you watch some of her videos, they're just beautiful children who love their mama and are always willing to help her out. And what more can you ask for than that? And I wanted to show people that there's a fun way that they could do these things. And Jeri's a mother. She's a mother who likes to cook. And she's a mother who likes to bake. And I feel like we should all try to help our YouTube family. I mean, we're all in the same race. We're all trying to get our channels to grow a little bit. And why not get a little help from our friends, right? And another thing, there's a video on Jeri's channel. I think when she first started her channel, she did a small introductory video. But then this past year, a few months ago, she did a Mother's Day video with her mom, and I watched it. I was so impressed. She had her mother on camera sitting next to her. Her mother is a doll. Her mother is so sweet and has a great sense of humor. She's such a positive person, as is Jeri. And I really wish you would go and watch that Mother's Day video of hers, because they had me laughing like crazy. I mean, it's really funny. I think it was called her Mother's Day Q&A. Sorry about the bird. I'm going to try to put her in another room when I do next Sundays. But anyway, Jeri makes desserts, she makes meals, and she also demonstrates for others how she uses certain products. Because imagine if you are not a sighted person. Oh, there goes the grandfather clock. I don't know. This is a cray-cray day, but you know the Diva's a little cray-cray, so what can I tell you? But anyway, I think Jeri's channel is great, and I admire her, and I give her so much credit for doing what she does. I know she even has some hobbies. I think she does a little bit of stitching, some type of sewing. I'm not exactly sure what, but if you go on over, you'll find out. So I'd like you all to show Jeri a little love. Her channel is My Blind Mama's Messy Kitchen. So what are we all here for if we can't help one another, right? At least that's what I say. And if you've already subscribed to her channel, I think that's wonderful. If you didn't, head on over and make sure you tell her the Baking Diva sent you. And by the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, feel free to go down below and hit that subscribe and the little bell next to it. Because like I said, we can all use a little help from our friends. So thank you very much for visiting me this Sunday. Go tell Jeri I said hello. And have a great day, all of you. And I will see you all very soon. Toodles!